Ang problema sa Gen Z, magpupunta ng birthday party, pero naka-cellphone lahat. Hindi rin naman nag-uusap.
What are the biggest pressures you feel that older generations may not see?
Really loneliness, I think. Loneliness and also yung feeling na hindi ka pinapakinggan. Kasi there's a lot of voices na on the internet, right? Ang problema sa Gen Z, magpupunta ng birthday party, pero naka-cellphone lahat. Hindi rin naman nag-uusap. Pero lahat sila, magpo-post sa Facebook, I feel so lonely. Pero hindi naman kami nag-uusap-usap din. Diba? Pero that's the challenge eh. Kasi we don't know, yung nga, paano nga ba yun? So if you're with a young person, so the best thing to do is really to try to listen to them first when they say something. Minsan kasi, we have the tendency, kontra agad. Hindi, nung panahon namin. Pwede mo namang sabihin yon, pero siguro after mo pakinggan muna. Pakinggan mo lang muna. And then, you could share your knowledge and your wisdom. I really feel like that's one really common thing that we struggle with the young people is really the loneliness and the feeling na no one is listening to us. Kasi yung pwedeng makinig sa amin, sasabihin lang din sa amin na, hindi, bata ka pa. Kasi mga kaedad naman namin, naka-cellphone. So walang nakikinig sa amin. So I think it's really that. Yeah.